To my another new video. In this video we will learn what is WordPress and how to create a new blog and website on wordpress.com. Okay, here is the wordpress.com. Welcome to the world's most popular website builder, and 42% of the web is built on WordPress. More bloggers, small businesses, and Fortune 500 companies use WordPress than other options combined, and join the millions of people that call WordPress.com home. You can create your you can start your website here. You can see here's the some of the templates of the websites on WordPress, and build a website, sell your stuff, start a blog, and so much more. You can create a website, or you can create a e-commerce store, and you can also start a blog on WordPress, and much more, all on wordpress.com. And here is the build simply. You can build your website very simply on WordPress. Create any kind of website without of code, no manuals, no limits, and stand out with the professionally designed themes. No matter your website or your style, there is a beautiful pro layout waiting for you. You can see here there are a lot of professional looking themes are available on WordPress. Some are pro templates are also available. You can just customize according to your needs. You can also find your theme also here, and here's an example. You can see here's the home page. You can also add your headings. You can also add the templates, colors. Here you can see here you can also change the levels, h1, h3, h4, and you can also change the color settings. Here you can see you can change the heading colors. You can also change the font, anything else you want, and design with a designer. Photo creators, tiled image galleries, map forms, and add them to your website with a one click. No, they are all they all look great. You can create your website without any hire any designer, because a lot of images, galleries, map forms are also available on WordPress. And build with blogs. You can also create blogs on your website. You can also add text form, Yelp reviews, testimonials, and maps, and more, and move them. You can also create the blogs, and you can also move them. You can also delete, and you can also easily edit your blogs on WordPress website, and play until it is perfect. You already know how to do it. Alright, you can also start your building here and start your website. Okay, you can grow up without limits. The potential of a bigger and better website, and a bigger and better audience is built right in WordPress. Have a lot of audience, and it is very have a great potential for bigger and better website. If you want to create a better and bigger website, then WordPress is the one of the best platform where you can create your website. And you can also see here are the some of the plugins, and infinite combinations, infinite possibilities, and thousands of easy to install add-on means you will never outgrow your website. Just collect leads, create contact forms, create subscription create subscriptions, automatically back up your site, and a whole a lot more. No matter what you want to do, there is a plugin for that. You can see is here some of the plugins, and there is an infinite combination of plugins that's available are available on WordPress. You can just easily download and install in your website just with one click. You can see also here some of the plugins. Mailchimp, Woo, and Yoast, and much more plugins are available on WordPress. That is an amazing thing. Just click on plugins and just install in one click. You can also create an e-commerce store on WordPress, and you can sell your products and services, accept one time or recurring payments, and I'll do it all globally. Whether you are selling studded cat collars or ongoing access to your content, do it with a completely customizable e-commerce platform that lets you open a store and grow your store alongside your business. And you can also create your an eye-catching type of e-commerce, and you can showcase you can showcase your products and services and sell your products globally through WordPress. And you can also build in marketing, find your fans, and rely on built-in SEO tools, Mailchimp, Google Analytics integrations, and more to market what you make. It's everything you need to find your audience, market smarter, and put your website front and center. Okay, here are some of the mobile apps. Take the best website builder anywhere with you, anywhere and anytime, anywhere. Just keep tabs on your website with real-time notifications and analytics, or publish a post, manage sales, reply to comments, update your homepage, or from your phone, tablet, or browser. You can also download your WordPress app on your iOS and Android phone. You can also build your website through your WordPress app. And okay, you are covered. Your website is just the beginning. You have got the service or tool you need to keep growing. Real support from real people. We will help you. WordPress will help you customize your website, add features with one-on-one and quick start sessions, live chat, and emails. And you can also add domains for anything from .com to .club or whatever else you can dream up. There is a memorable and opt and domain for your website. You can also find some of the new, available websites domain here. Just click here, find your domain, and select it. And you're also you have got plans for book clubs, business peoples, bird fanciers, and bond. You can also explore some of the plans here. And last one is the serious security. Your website WordPress site runs on the best WordPress hosting environment or not. No patches, no updates, no nonsense, or no matter the plan. And you can start your website here, and free to start with 4 ways to grow. Whether you want to share your ideas, start a business, or run a store, you can do it all on wordpress.com. You can see here are some of the plans here. Some of personal plan it is the personal plan for personal use, and premium best for freelancers, and business for best for small business. E-commerce plan is best for online stores. If you want to create a e-commerce store, then this package is one of the best. And if you want to create a small business, then you can select this plan. And just if you want to create for freelancers, then this premium plan is best for you, and if you want use to WordPress is for your personal use, then this plan is best for you. I hope you understand what is the WordPress, and what are the features, and what are the combinations of plugins, and what are the themes, and I hope you will like my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.